Hello everybody and welcome to C2 Part 1, Master Controller Setup. We're going to set up our master controller using the Master Controller Device Manager element of the Compass Control software suite. So as a reminder from C1, the Compass Control software suite is free to download as soon as you gain your C1 certification, and it contains 5 different software elements. Once you install the Compass Control software suite, you should see those items on your desktop unless you've moved them anywhere else. And as a reminder, Compass Navigator, as we see enlarged on the far left, is where you program your system. We showed you how to program it using the modular methods in C1, and we show you how to program your system using the custom GUI building methods in C3. You could set up your master controller, as we see the second cluster of icons there, using the Device Manager software. Now, Compass Navigator Suite contains 5 software elements. There's actually an additional one here. There's the 6th, because we're going to show you during this video how to configure an MC1000 using the Master Controller Device Manager. But then we'll also give you a brief tutorial on the KD Lite Device Manager software in case you are using your KD 4x4, 6x6, or 8x8 Lite as your master controller. We'll show you a quick guide on how to use that. And then the remaining 3 elements of the Compass Control software suite are the IR, RS-232, and TCP/IP managers. Now we're going to use the IR manager in C2 Part 2 to learn and edit IR commands. We'll use the RS-232 manager in C2 Part 3 to create or edit RS-232 commands, and TCP/IP manager in C2 Part 4, where we, of course, create or edit TCP/IP commands, and those will all be one-way command sets, not bidirectional. So as a reminder of the hardware that we are working with, we're going to be using our KD MC1000 master controller. And the way that we load and set up the master controller, loading the new firmware and setting the IP settings and all of the desired items like that, is using the master controller device manager. We'll connect a USB-A to USB micro cable. It's included in the box. It's a standard connector type, non-proprietary. And with that connection made after the drivers are installed after your initial connection, you should be able to proceed.